Welcome back guys to another Zero DTE video, and today Ernie's going to be talking about adjusting the strategy, so make sure you stay tuned. If you're interested in becoming a pro trader, check out the link in the description where you can find Ernie's education platform. Enjoy guys.
I don't know if any of you have picked up on that new strategy or if you come in a little bit late to the game and haven't seen some of the updates to the strategy. Not updates, but it's an addendum. It's a modification of the strategy to take advantage of, or to compensate, I should say, for the ultra low volatility. And I've been thinking about this for quite some time, and we've been discussing it for quite some time as well. And the basic premise is that super low volatility accelerates premium decay. So that does two things. Actually, it does a number of things. It takes away two of our primary edges. It doesn't take them away, but it diminishes them dramatically. It takes away directionality, and it also takes away our optionality. Optionality in that we normally enjoy a tremendous amount of premium still left over on that zero DTE day. The directionality part is a new thing, not necessarily due to the volatility, but more due to the conditions that are being caused, I think, that are mostly the fault of the FOMC, with overnight gaps and then tiny little doji moves during the day. So we're not getting that directionality as well. And we require both directionality and optionality in order to really fulfill the promise of this strategy. So what it's done is it has essentially taken time and expanded it. By decelerating premium decay, it means that the premium decay that we would normally get on a zero DTE day is now been expanded to 1 or 2, maybe even 3 DTE. I don't think it's going to go as far out as 3, but let's just say that's a possibility. And the directionality, because it's happening mostly overnight, and if we're trading just during market hours, we're missing out on the majority of those directional moves because of the overnight action. So by expanding out to a 1, 2, or 3 DTE, we recapture that directionality. So by instituting an expanded roll, or basically the same strategy, just expanding the time frame from 0 DTE to 1, 2, or 3 DTE, we can solve this problem. Now, the big question going on from here is exactly how do we solve that problem? What is the trading strategy? What is the implementation? How do we take entries? How do we manage profits? All of those are unanswered questions. However, I have created a proposed strategy and process that we go through to figure that out. Now, this is really no different than any individual trade that we put on, because as I've said many times, that all of our trades are nothing more than an individual experiment. Every day is an experiment. It's part of a much larger systematic experiment, but it's still an experiment. And we are collecting data from that. And then over time, on a weekly basis, are continually reviewing that information. And that weekly review is taken in context of not just that week, but all the previous weeks as well. So from that, we derive a rich set of information that we can start making decisions.
Thanks for watching guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the like button below. If there's any questions that you might have for Coach Ernie, make sure you leave them in the comment section. Thanks guys.